Prefabrication, it's key to circular construction for several reasons. It is well known that prefabrication offers significant savings in cost of production of the components, time for the construction on site, and minimization of the waste that it is produced both at the manufacturing site and at the construction site. So just for these reasons, without going further to the operational phase of the building, prefabrication supports directly the circular construction. Examples of strategies that could be developed for supporting circular construction by prefabrication include the full digitization of the building characteristics via a BIM approach, where you store all the information that concerns the design, construction, operational phase of the building, and in particular the materials. In conventional construction, materials are not rather produced in such a way as to have a permanent application on the building. With prefabricated construction, you can easily separate the materials, and as long as you include their characteristics and performance quantities at the BIM platform, and you barcode the materials, then at the end of the life of the building, the manufacturers can have very specific, concrete information about the materials that could be used for recycling or for direct use at the end of the life of the building. In the frame of several Horizon 2020 research projects, we are developing what we call hybrid prefabricated kits that include both passive and active systems. By active systems, we mean systems that produce energy for heating, cooling, or air conditioning, harvest energy, and they are all based on renewable energy sources. This means that through a BIM approach, hybrid prefabricated systems, we will have detailed information about the operational phase of the building. It is well known that the operational phase of the building corresponds to about 50% of the embodied energy of the building. So by substituting conventional energy production system by renewable energy systems, we will have a significant reduction in the embodied energy during the operational phase of the building, but at the same time we will reduce the carbon footprint of the building. Prefabrication is very specific in terms of the quantities of materials that you are using during the manufacturing stage, because you already have a very accurate design that dictates the quantity of materials that you will need. By barcoding materials via a BIM approach and digitization of the design, construction, and passing this information to the manufacturers, at the end of the life of a building, the manufacturer will have very specific information relating to the characteristics, quantity, and quality of the materials that are incorporated in the building. In this way, they can organize selective deconstruction and the entire value chain and the logistics of how to reuse these deconstructed materials in their production processes.